Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Dodge Journey SXT all-wheel drive. Stock number B9443B. 69,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Storm gray in color. The Journey is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Rear heat and air controls. Additional in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats two. Trailer hitch. 50-50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for climate. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the own materials. Overhead auto-dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Journey has a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Journey, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.